barbecue with Chef Ricardo, making some lovely barbecue chicken and making me a special burger, which was actually amazing. I've really enjoyed myself. The vibe here is beautiful and the food is beautiful.
So basically, what do you think about the whole day after barbecue?
It's been great. The food's been lovely, the people have been lovely, the music's been great.
And you believe say Facts and Franks is good?
Yeah,
good, top
Facts
of the
and
line.
Franks is the one.
Yeah. So what about the sauce? Did you try the sauce?
The sauce was great. I had it on everything.
Yeah?
The sauce is amazing.
Alright, did you try the chicken?
I tried the chicken, I've tried the burger, tried the sausages, the salad. I love it all.
So what about the corn? Barbecue corn?
I didn't try the barbecue corn.
Well, next time you need to try
I will. It looked nice.
Alright, so you have a wonderful time today.
Thank you. Yes, I did.
Alright,
Yes,
lovely.
I
So
did.
what's the name?
Micah.
Mike. Alright, nice to meet you, Mike.